but the console, I can see a validation failed message, which is not okay. So maybe because there is that error, that validation error, the platform, not the platform, but the code was not generated. Wait. Okay. Now I see why. Hey, nah. Now, let me see. I cannot see those. Oh, okay. Let's say Google again. I don't care. www.google.com, and now it does work. And we have a PNG and a JPEG. Let's say here, this is just a simple text. And now let me scan the QR. Come on. And this is just a simple, yeah, perfect. It does work. I don't know about this, to be honest, because but also what I want to add is this, actually, email and vCard. Right? Good. Now for the QR code, I also want to be able to generate a QR code for an email address and for vCard. Now I think this should not be a problem. And yeah, now the text field looks way better. Also here. Now let me see. Let's save and code, login. Do we have any demo credentials so we can test the app? Actually, no. I'm just going to refresh the page and see exactly what vCard. Add logo indicator. Oh, we can use. Oh, nice. Let me just find a logo here on my. If I can find one. No, not that. Where is it? Actually, let's use this. Ooh. And then let's say example.com. Okay, I'm totally fine with that. And then let me see if this works. Oops. Yeah, it does work. It does work really nice. Love it. I love it. So both of these apps are fully functional, and well, not fully functional in terms of pricing and all that, but they do generate working functional QR codes, right? Good. Now, let's say I want to create a user page where the yeah, a user page where the user can see his QR codes already generated and saved, generated by him. For this, we need to have some demo credentials for the login system. Good, now Biela has a bit of a problem. It got an error. This usually happens when you do change things like later on and decide to add new features, because it has to basically change a lot of things. And it is normal because, well, in this case it updated only 2 pages, but I don't know exactly the amount of work that it put in generating those. So now let's go to sign in. No, I don't care. And this is working just fine. I do love it. The problems here are this. Let's see Wi-Fi. I'm quite curious to see if this works. It does not. Okay. What was I saying? Oh yeah. This view button does not work. This edit button does not work. Copy also does not work, and also delete. And let's say I want to make these buttons. No. That will take a bit of time, but in the end, it should be working just fine. Okay. Let's see, view. Oh my god. That cannot decide. That looks so weird. And I look so white. Okay. Good. So deactivate it. Okay, share. Fail to copy. Okay, edit. Good. Now the edit page does not work, which is okay. I have nothing against that. Actually, no. Oh, you created another. I see now. That's actually not a bad idea, but this should not be copied. This should be duplicate. The copy button should be called duplicate, because because it does make sense. It does make a lot of sense like that. So you do need to make it like to call it properly, because for example when I pressed on it I thought, well, it will copy the image, which did not. It did not. It copied the what is it called? It duplicated the QR code, right? uh Good. Don't save it, I don't care. But if I will press on delete, yes, does work. It updated the free plan. Love it. Analytics. We do have some analytics here. We do have scans by device, tablet, desktop, mobile. Wait, desktop? Really? How do you scan a QR code with a desktop? On your desktop. Okay, whatever. Not gonna 10 countries, and yet you here are showing me only 5. But that's okay. I think this is doesn't matter. And we do have for like a week Wi-Fi access 8 scans. Oh, because I deleted the other one. Yeah, that, no, right, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. Settings. I want you to create the settings page too. So at this point, at this stage, what I'm doing now is to basically create every page that I need. So later on, when I will implement the database, I will know exactly what information I need to save on that page. And save in the database too, because that page might contain, for example, as you can see here, the language, right? The language preference. If, for example, you're in Italy, you maybe want to have the website in Italian. Then the website will know, well, you selected Italian, right, for your website. And next time when you log in, whether you're logging in from, let's say, US or Europe, or let's say in Dubai or whatever, then the website will be in Italian. But I'll wait for the website to be done, or Biela to be done working, so that I can actually set, or not set, but update the database too with the information required, which will probably be like another table, which I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the case, another table for settings, and I don't know, some roles or something, because I want to have like a dashboard for the admin. And I'm actually thinking to create the dashboard now before we start implementing the database. Okay, come on. Now here, oh yeah, we do have some credentials here. Password 123 and login, and then ooh baby,